Did you know most tax preparers are actually charging you money by just taking it out of your tax refund? That's where the idea of pay nothing up front, that sales pitch comes from. But buried deep into all those stack of papers that they usually give you at the end of your session, there's actually a line item that tells you exactly how much that they charge you. So most people don't realize they're probably paying between $100 to even up to $500 or $1,000 just for someone to be able to do your taxes for you. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a way that I found that I actually use to file my taxes for free using a tax alliance that was set up by some of the largest tax preparation companies in the US. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tommy Boboy. I'm actually a former stockbroker and investment advisor. Now, on this channel, we help folks reach their financial potential because we truly believe that it is the foundation to you ultimately living a more happier life. So if you're looking to improve your finances, be sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Now, this idea first came to me back when I got my first job after college. You know, I was going around asking people about if they could actually help me with my taxes. I was kind of looking for a tax guy, but all of them made it seem like they weren't charging anything, right? And when I would actually get down to it, they would end up telling me, hey, you know, we charge $250, we charge $300, whatever the case may be, for me to do your taxes, right? And that's when I realized it's not as complicated as they make it out to be, especially when you're actually looking at the form that they're filling out. All you're really doing is taking information and filling in the blanks. So when I actually started doing the research, I found out that there's actually a free way for you to be able to file your taxes. So the IRS had actually set up a partnership with a lot of the bigger tax preparation softwares out there to be able to make sure that people could get their taxes done for free at a certain income threshold. And I actually think a lot of people don't take advantage of this solely because they think that their tax person doesn't charge them anything, right? Because of that whole business model, a lot of these tax guys aren't charging you up front. All they're doing is they're charging you, but they don't get any payment until they get your tax refund. As your tax refund comes into your bank account, they get to take their cut out of it and send you the rest. So let's jump into the good part. Now, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about how the free tax filing actually works. And then at the end of the video, I'm actually going to jump into how you can get someone else to do your taxes for free. So again, guys, this is a partnership between the IRS and some of the largest tax preparation companies available. So one caveat is that your adjusted gross income has to be below $73,000. So $73,000 or less for you to be able to use the IRS's free file offers. The other option is you can use their fillable forms. That's unlimited, right? It doesn't matter what your income is. As long as you use the forms that they provide, they'll actually, let you file your taxes for free. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the IRS Free File website. What I'll do is I'll put the link down below. But if you want to, you can also Google search IRS Free File website and be able to get there as well. Next, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says IRS Free File Offer. I recommend that you use their lookup tool, which you're going to see on the next page. Basically, the benefit of this lookup tool is they actually allow you to just answer a series of questions. And based off of the way you answer those questions, they'll give you a list of companies that you can actually qualify for to be able to use the free tax filing. Okay. Now, really, the three categories that they're going to use in terms of questions is going to be one, asking you just general questions, right? Stuff like your filing status and little bits of personal information. Next, what they're going to do is ask you for your adjusted gross income, and you'll be able to calculate that as well. And the third is they're going to ask you if you qualify for the earned income tax credit. Okay. Then once you've actually answered all of those questions, they'll show you a list of the eligible programs based on your scenario. So it's really that easy when it comes to you being able to find a program to have your taxes done. Now, there's a lot of programs out there. There's Tax Act is a part of this program. Tax Slayer is also a part, as well as all these other online only tax preparation software programs. They're really great. I recommend you try out one or two of them if you want to kind of see which one gives you the better numbers. But the process they use makes it really easy, especially the Tax Act and Tax Slayer, which are probably some of the bigger ones. They'll actually walk you step by step on how you can actually fill out all your tax forms and everything, which makes the process so much simpler. Now, if you want to try to get tax preparation or tax help in person, it's going to be a little bit different of a process. Okay. Now, first, what you want to do is you want to search IRS VITA. It basically stands for the IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. You can search for that, or you can click. I'll have a link down below as well that you can just click on to make it a lot easier for you guys. But keep in mind that this program is generally only for people who are making $58,000 or less. Okay. Now, there is some exceptions to that rule, But if you don't fit in that 58 or below, I'd recommend you check out the program I was just talking about. With this program, what you'll do is you'll click on the link I have down below and you'll just search for your area, right, for different locations. Now it's going to pop up a list of locations offering, volunteer prepared tax services, and all you have to do is reach out to them accordingly, right? Some of them might say, hey, you got to set an appointment, so you'll reach out to them and set an appointment. Some of them might say that they're walk-in, so you can actually just, go visit the location and be able to talk with someone that's going to help you do your taxes. So that's going to be the gist of this video, guys. I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch. Be sure you check out our other videos on investing and managing your finances if you're looking to continue to improve even past just being able to do your taxes on your own. Okay. And make sure that you subscribe to us for more personal finance tips. We're shooting videos related to personal finance, but also related to not just your finances, but, entrepreneurship and even traveling, two things that I'm currently doing for myself as well. Alrighty. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. We appreciate you watching and we'll see you at the next one. Peace.